Buyers, are you looking for some house hacks? Now let's face it, we all can agree that the housing market has been very vital over the last couple of years, right? Well, in fact, I hear buyers say they feel like they're on a roller coaster ride. Hi guys, I'm Tamika York with eXp Realty and Dream Homes by Tamika, and it's no wonder buyers feel they are on the ups and downs when they're trying to purchase a home. Now, with low inventory, fluctuating mortgage rates, and competition, it makes for a tough market for some buyers, now especially first-time home buyers. Now, a trend that we're starting to see in certain regions is house hacking. So what is house hacking, Tamika? Well, house hacking is finding creative ways to make a home purchase affordable. Now, let's explore some hacking options, shall we? Okay, so how about buying a home with your family or your besties? This co-buying trend allows buyers to pool their resources and finances together with people they love to come up with a bigger down payment or closing costs. Or perhaps advertise a room for rent to help with house costs. But if having a long-term roommate is too big of a commitment for you, consider just renting out one room in the house as a short-term rental. Maybe a college student or a traveling nurse. Now this way they can help with the mortgage expense, but are not vested in the property long term. Now another hack to consider is renting out parking or storage space or even a pool. As a homeowner, you might have more to rent than just rooms. Take a look around the property that you're interested in to see what you can profit from. Now, or you can even find a property that has a separate rental unit or ADU to maintain your privacy, but to make some extra money too. Listen, bottom line is always best to work with an experienced real estate agent who can show you the different strategies to help you make your dream home a reality. Now reach out to me and my team so that we can help you strategize your next move. And as always, guys, I'm Tamika York, your dream home matchmaker, where I love where I live and I want you guys to love where you live too. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.